that I can... What is this? What actually is this? Oh God, I can't even get my chicken fillet out of my advent calendar. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. Am I actually turned on? Yeah, I am. And what was I saying? Don't forget to turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. Tomorrow's video is really exciting because it is actually a sponsored video. Well, a portion of the video is sponsored. So if you can, please show some support on tomorrow's video when it goes live. Please watch it straight away if you possibly can, and like it and comment it and share it if possible, because I am a small little YouTuber and I'd love for this to become even just like a once a week part-time job, like a 1 day a week thing or anything, or even full-time. So yeah, thank you if you do support me on tomorrow's video. It is also going to be unboxing the Revolution Rockstar advent calendar. It's just the first little bit of the video is sponsored and it's to do with my jewellery, so you don't want to miss it. But anyways, let's get into tonight's video. So we're going to be unboxing the Real Techniques advent calendar. So this is what it looks like. It is double-sided. It has 25 doors behind it, which is good. This normally retails for £80. Which is just ridiculous because it's not worth £80. Like, before I even open it, it's not going to be worth £80. Like, that is just ridiculous. However, it was reduced and it is still currently reduced on Superdrug to £20. They have this weird thing where you can only get it through click and collect, so it's only certain stores if they have it near you. But double check it, because back when I got it, it went out of stock really quickly, like within like a day, and a girl that lives, one of my patrons who lives near to me, has just literally just got it, so it's come back in stock around this area. So keep checking. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. So where is day number 1? Here he is. Hopefully this will be, oh yeah, could you hear that? Super easy to get into. Not like the W7 ones. And first up, actually, easy to get into, but actually hard to get the product out. Am I supposed to get that out of there? Ah, it cuts my finger. No, this is going to be another one of them videos, isn't it? It is a la baby brush. This is the Mini Expert Face Brush. Oh my god, do you remember these back in the day? This used to be like the foundation brush when I was on YouTube years and years ago. Oh, I like that. So you don't get any sticky residue on the brush. Okay, I like that. So yeah, we have a little mini brush. So I've just worked it out, and say if this was the full price of the advent calendar, which is £80, each door would be worth £3.20. But because we only paid £20 for it, each door is worth 80p. So I reckon this is going to be a lot better value for money because we're only paying 20 quid for it. And like, I would happily pay 80p for that. Would I want to pay £3.20 for it? No, because it hasn't got a long handle. It's a little mini one. And I will lose this. Like 100% will lose that. So day number 2. I quite like that it's compact, you know, and that it's all like squished together and like one on both sides. Day number 2 is a little pair. Well, not a little pair, it's like a full-size pair of like nail scissors. I think that's what it's technically called, like little clippers. These are really good if you want to clip your eyelashes as well. So I'll definitely keep them. And then we have day number 3. So day number 3 is some Real Techniques little eye patches. And I'm guessing maybe there must be reusable ones. I think these are the under eye shields. So it says use under eye to lock in cream and serums and prevent fall off while applying eye makeup. I'm going to assume that they're reusable because I want them to be. That's just me assuming though. So that's very random, but that's them. I didn't even know Real Techniques did anything like that. I haven't bought from Real Techniques for years, like back in the old days of YouTube when I used to buy basically all their brushes. Next up for day 5. What is this? I think this is a face shaver. I actually can't even get this out. It's like too big for the tub, like for the actual door. There we go. That was a very stupid way of putting that in there. Oh, we've actually lost one of the protective shields, which is lovely. So this is just a double-ended eyebrow shaver. Okay. For 80p, I'm not bothered, but if this was meant to be £80 and that was meant to be £3.20, I'd be peeved by that. The next one we have is day 6, which is a tiny, tiny little door. Oh, this is adorable. So this looks like a little roll. Oh, this looks like a little. Is it meant to roll? No, maybe. Oh, that's nice. I'm assuming we're going to have another one of these behind another day, which I don't particularly like. But hey ho, so that was day 6. Day 7 is a big one. Day 7 is a scrunchie. I'm just going to fling that on there because if somebody did pay £80 for this, I'd be fuming that I paid £3.20 for a door and got a scrunchie behind it. Right, okay. Okay, day number 8. Let's see what's behind this one. We have another little mini brush. Oh, sugar. And it just looks like this. This is the mini base shadow brush, which is really, really, really cute. You all know by now I never ever use mini brushes because I just end up losing them in my pot. But I'm going to be a lot more appreciative than what it would be if it was another one of them bloody eye rollers for like £3.20 a door. Okay, day number 9, we have a sponge. Actually feels really nice. I have not had a Real Technique sponge for years and years and years because I didn't like them. I've always not liked them. I've always thought they were too firm and they were like a weird texture. And I used to remember like everyone used to rave about them and I'm like, I just don't get it. But this feels really soft. And for a £3.20 door, I'd be happy with this. And for 80p door, I'd be happy with this as well. So thank you. That's made me feel a lot better. Let's go to day 10, which is a little square one. Okay, it's weird because it's a very like accessories with a little bit of Real Techniques advent calendar. This one, it's 100% not worth £80. I can tell you that from the get-go. I can't even get it out. It's actually 2 little hair clips, like the ones that I normally wear when I'm filming a video. They are cute and I will use them. They're like a little, there you can see them there. They are cute, I'm not gonna lie. Would I be happy for £3.20 behind this door? No. 80p? Yeah, whatever. Then we have day number 11. Ooh, okay, this is a good one. So this is the Real Techniques Brush and Sponge Cleansing Gel. And it's a 30ml one. Very, very happy with this. Very, very happy with that. And cool. And then we have day number 12, which is a big circle. This is very good. Well done. Very happy. Very happy. This is their colour switch. If I can... I wish brands would make the advent calendars easier to get into because this is just ridiculous. There we go. And it's a nice big full-size one. It's not like a little itty-bitty one. I'm actually going to keep that to one side because I was thinking about one of them earlier and I was thinking, where's mine? So I'm going to put him to one side because I will get my use out of him, so thank you. Day 13 is another sponge, which looks like this. Ooh, this one has a little bit of a slight different texture, but super, super, super soft, which is good because, like I said, I never used to like their old ones, so maybe they've changed it, which is really good because I'm happy with that. Day number 14 is a flannel. Okay, just a flannel. Not even got Real Techniques logo on it. For 80p, I'm not bothered about that. But for £3.20, like I said, I would be. So that was day 14. So day 15. Let's have a look. This is a little skinny one, and I can imagine. Oh, it's another brush. I can imagine that little roller is going to come up behind another door, because I can't imagine there just being one. And this is horrible to get things out of. I have to use like my little thing to get things out. So this is a mini setting brush. Oh my god, I know I don't normally like mini brushes. I can't cope with that. That is cute as. Okay, I like that. I like him. It's cute. So that was day 15. Day 16. I feel like I'm doing a flippy flip every time with it. Oh, so this is another sponge, but this is a funky one. Look at this one. See if I can show you the difference between the two. This is like, I don't know what it's technically called. This is the Miracle Cleansing Sponge. I need to see what you do with this because that's really, really interesting. Very, very happy with that. So that was day 16, and then day 17 is another very, very, I can't get into it, a very, very small one. Like, oh god. I've just stabbed the brush now. The brush has a big stab mark in it. If you struggle with getting angry over stuff like this, you ain't gonna like this advent calendar because it's stressing me out. This is a mini smudge brush. He's so cute. Would I use him? No, but he's so cute. I would use the other one that I thought was really cute because I'd put that into my night out bag because it's a little tiny one. So where's number 18? Here we go. Oh, so we have another sponge. It's just another normal one. I do like the tones of these sponges. They're really nice, and the texture's totally different to... How have I missed that one? I've missed number 4. Let me open number 4. I've somehow missed it. Okay. And this is one of the sponges, but a microfiber one. Just looking at it then, I was like, that's a big 4. How have I missed number 4? Who knows? But I think I'm up to number 19. Who knows? Because I might have missed another one again. No, I don't think I have. I've just had a little look. Number 19 has a big door behind it. Ooh. Okay, so for 80p, I'm happy with this. £3.20, maybe not so. But then again, it is an actual real techniques one. It's not just like the flannel. But I love these. I've currently got, looks a bit manky because I'm using it at the moment, but I've currently got a matrix one on the go. I've literally just, not long ago, cleaned all of my reusable cotton pad. But yeah, I will definitely use that as well. So very happy with that. So that was day number 19. You all know, if you watch my channel, day number 20 is always the most important one because it's my happy birthday. So I always like to make sure that it's got a nice one behind it. It's another brush. Ah, fine. Let me get this one out. Here we go. This is a mini contour brush. Oh, do you know what? I could actually take this on a night out for blusher. That's actually nice. I would actually use that for a night out as well. Okay, I am happy with that one. So that was day 20. So let's have a look at day 21, which is like a little funky shaped one. Like it has like this little stick and then a big massive bit. Oh, okay. So it has a brush in it, a little spoolie. But then it also has, what is this? It also has like a bit of paper. Honestly, they need to make this so that people can get into it because I'm going to lose my cool. Okay. So it's like a little purple envelope. What's this? Okay, I did not expect that. I thought it was either going to be a compact mirror or like a £5 voucher for Real Techniques or 10% off or like a daft little voucher or something. It's eyebrow stencils. Okay, I don't even know what to say to that. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Day number 22. What is this? What actually is this? I'm sorry, but what? Why is there a nipple? Why is there a chicken fillet in me? Oh god, I can't even get my chicken fillet out of my advent calendar. What kind of life is this? What actually is this though? Why is there chicken fillet? What is it? What is this? I need to see the pictures on the side. It's a mask applicator. What? What? I'm guessing it'll like spread it. It's just a chicken fillet, isn't it? it's a, okay. That's just it. Let's just go to day 23. Day 23 is some tweezers. So just some little tweezers, and then we've got day 24, which is a little one. So this is a brush. Oh, so we don't have. I thought we were going to get another one of them eye roller things, but it must just be the one in there, which I'm happy about because obviously you don't need the two. You can just alternate between the two. And this is a mini little brush that I wonder if that came off on camera. It like full and flipped out of the packaging into my lap. But I don't know how high it came, if it'll come on camera or not. But it's a little body brush. This is the mini detailer brush. Okay, so that is that one. And then last but not least, day 25, which is the biggest one. Don't let me down for the last day. Ooh, okay. I'm happy with this because I was thinking about this the other day and saying, oh, I really want to get one of these. It's one of the little, oh, sugars, one of the little cases for you to put your sponge in. You know, so like if you're traveling or anything, then you're not getting it all dirty, or if you want to have it on like on top of your drawers or whatever, then you're not getting it all like dusty and manky and all bacteria and stuff in it. But it has got like the little hole here so that it actually breathes, because otherwise it'll get all mouldy and manky. I said ranky, and manky and stuff, because obviously you wet it. So yeah, very, very happy with that, and I'm happy that that was day 25, because if day 25 was like the eyebrow stencils or something, I would have lost my shit. I would have lost my shit. So yeah, this is the advent calendar with the chicken fillet. I'd love to know what you think down below. I would not pay £80 for this advent calendar at all. I would literally pay £20, and even, actually I was going to say even then I wouldn't want to pay that, but actually when I look at the things that I've got in front of me, £20 is actually really good considering how expensive Real Techniques sponges are anyway. So even if you just got this advent calendar purely because you wanted more sponges from Real Techniques, then I think it's worth it, even if you get all the extra stuff that you're not that bothered about. Yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please come back for tomorrow's video and support me for my sponsored video, because yeah, it's just crazy. And it's with a brand that I've of jewelry, like a jewelry brand that I've been wearing. I can't get the word out because I'm excited. I've been wearing for the past year, since they gifted me some stuff last year, and now this year they want to work with me on a sponsored basis, which is just mind blowing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for the little bit of the sponsors video, and obviously for the Rockstar Revolution Pro Advent Calendar unboxing as well. That's a juicy one, and I'm just going to say come back tomorrow because you don't want to miss it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully will see you tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye. Not to be dramatic, but I wanna die. This bitch got me paying for shit. I don't know the words. Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my wrist.